Good morning, this is Chief from Foreverland. We are going to start here in what we call the red room. I need to get a stick or a tripod or something so I can get all this beautiful background we have. What we're going to do is this morning, we didn't get up this morning, so there's no coffee in the morning. We're going to have coffee and color in the afternoon, so stand by. Misty is going to show you the new blooms. This is what was behind me before I head out and give the camera to Miss D. Thought I'd pan around. This is our red room. There's no TV outlet. There's no telephone outlet per se. Just a place to sit, come, have an adult beverage, and enjoy the flowers. Now, out to Miss D's garden tour. Good morning again. We've moved outside from the red room. And here shortly after we have a little bit of our coffee, say hi, Lucy. She had to come over and say get in on there. She says, there's my profile. Anyway, we're going to have a little bit of coffee, and then Miss D is going to take everybody out and give her a garden tour. We added some color and flowers in bloom. I'm still working on the yard though, so what do you think about our progress?
We're getting there. Cinch by the inch and a trial by the mile.
Famous words from my famous next door neighbor. So, a couple drinks of coffee, and then we're going to have the best Mimi ever take you out for a garden tour.
Good afternoon, friends. Just wanted to give you a little update on our flowers that are blooming. Our azaleas have really come out now. They're so pretty. They were a little late this spring, but now they're in full bloom. This is the spice bush. There's my pretty little butterfly decoration. And this is actually to water the flower garden. It's hooked up to the hose. And when it's on, that little turtle spins around and shoots the water out and makes pretty arcs of water all over the flowers. Some of the peonies are getting ready to bloom. And I need to get Chief out here to get these weeds up. But we're going to have some pretty peony bulbs really soon. We'll have to make a video of that. And there's another little turtle that waters this flower garden. I decided I wanted some more color in the front. So my wonderful husband took me to Lowe's, and we got a new flag for the front, naturally with a flamingo on it. And we got these mixed colorful pansy baskets, yellow and purple and white. And there's Miss Lucy.
Can you say hi to Mama?
Lucy, come say hi. Can you say hi, Mama?
Hi guys, coffee on the porch.
Say hi, Mama. Lucy, can you say hi? You can, okay. We also got some new hanging baskets. And I think I will try and go up on the porch and get a better picture of these for you. This is a fuchsia. These are called calabricoa, also known as seaside petunias. And this is a purple combination basket.
And all her wind chimes.
And all my wind chimes. And 3 more baskets down at this end of the porch. Don't know if you can hear it, but it's starting to rain. That's okay. We love sitting out here in the rain. Look how pretty. All sorts of pretty colors. Okay. So I hope you guys are having a good Friday. And I'll go in the backyard and give you an update on our pretty roses back there. Here's my beautiful red rose bush. So many pretty blooms. And the yellow one has really started to come out over here too. Look at all the buds. Lots and lots of buds. Here's a close-up of my Illya. Smells so pretty. I think our flowers in the yard is one of the things we're going to miss the most when we leave our sticks and bricks.
You got pictures, you got them down here too.
This is that combination petunia basket with all the pretty purple flowers in it. And our Air Force flag and our U.S. flag.
And now Lucy's going to give you a quiet goodbye.
Quiet. 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 No. Quiet. Shh. Quiet, Lucy. Quiet. Quiet. Quiet.
Come on, can you go do a quiet goodbye? That's good.
That's a good one.
And that's Misty's tour of our flowers. Well, that's our coffee and color in the afternoon. Hope you all enjoyed it. We had a good time making it, and we're working on the quality. We'll get to it sooner or later. But there's one other thing I want to show you. A lot of people have told me I need to get a tripod. Ta-da, no hands. But I want to show you my tripod. I think you'll enjoy it. Not everybody can do a tripod like this. So, hope you had a great day. And there's my tripod.
Ta-da! Flamingo!
And we hope you guys have
A wonderful Friday and find your forever land.
a great day.